3 days ago, I bought every single cryptocurrency from Coinbase. Yes, every single one. All 152 tradable coins. I invested $10 on each coin, and I created an Excel document to track the different results at different timelines. Now, 24 hours after the investments, we got our first results. And honestly, they were pretty surprising. The coins on this table are ranked by market cap, so we can immediately notice that the biggest coins were profitable. Look at that, every single one of the big coins is in green. And look at Shiba, what happened there? 44% increase in 24 hours? That was the biggest victory so far. Then we noticed that as we scroll down to the smaller market caps, there are some losses, with QuantStamp going down 10.9%. But still, although we see more red, the overall results are pretty impressive. With a $10 investment per coin, I invested $1,520. And after a day, we increased it to $1,574, making a 3.61% profit. But can we keep the momentum? Let's see what happened after 3 days. Alright, so here we are, 3 days later. Now before we get into the results, let me explain to you what the different colors mean. So obviously green means that the coin is profitable. A red background means that there's a loss in our investment. White letters means that the price has not moved. And orange letters into a green background means that the coin remains profitable, but the price has gone down from the previous statistics at the 1 day results. And then I do think we may have some red backgrounds with green numbers, which would mean that the price of the coin has gone up, although it remains a non-profitable investment. So let's see what we did. So starting with Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm happy to see that 3 days later, they're still profitable and even more than they went 1 day before. Tether, obviously, once again, no surprise, it remained constant. We have Cardano that's also up 4.5%, and we have a first loss on one of the bigger market cap coins, Solana, by going down from 4.59% profit down to minus 0.93%. Then we do have Polkadot and Dogecoin that also were negative, although they still remain profitable. And a pretty interesting one, Shiba, of the first day results, as we said earlier, 45% increase. It remains the same, but it still is a tiny bit less than it was before. So yeah, great results on Shiba. $14 on a $10 investment in 3 days. Wish I had invested a bit more. Anyway, let's keep going. We have Wrapped Bitcoin that remains the same from 3 days. DAI that has gone down, Cosmos. So off the bat, we see that many coins have gone down. Let's see if there's another one that remained constant. So yeah, many coins have gone down in the 3 days, and many are negative. However, in the mix is a 58% increase, 58.73. Wow, this is pretty impressive. A 58.73% increase on IOTEX. A $10 investment in 3 days has gone to 15.87. We do see some more coins that have lost value, that are negative. Obviously, if it's red with black letters, it means that the value has gone further down. For example, here on the first day was 1.1% negative, and the value has kept going down. Let's see if we have any coins that were negative and went up a bit. We do have Brain Trust that was negative and then went 0.1% up. Incredible once again on Keep Network, 50% increase, and Superfarm, 40% increase in 3 days. That's pretty cool. We have a few tokens that were positive and went negative. Here we can see that. And let's see if we have any. Yeah, we do have some negative that went positive, which is pretty cool, but also a few positive that went negative. I'm really interested to see how the total is. I haven't looked yet. Alchemy Pay, 48.27% increase. So far, we've had a few coins that have really gone up. I hope there's no massive losses though. As we get to the middle cap coins, we do see even more coins that have lost value, that are on the negative side. However, we do have many more that remain profitable in the middle cap companies. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Then QuantStamp, we had a minus 10% value on the 1-day results, but it has gone up and it's profitable today by 1 cent, 0.1%. Let's see if in the lowest caps we have any crazy results. Nothing really here. We do have some 12%ers, but we don't have any huge loss from what I see. I believe that 12% might be the lowest one we have. Of course, we do have the 58.73% increase. So let's see the total results. So we started with 1,520, 152 tokens with $10 investment in each token. On the first day, we had 1,574. So a 3.61% increase. And I'm really happy to see that on the third day, we increase our value, our investment, to $1,586, meaning that from 1,520, we have a 4.39% increase in 3 days. Obviously, it's very volatile. Crypto is very volatile, but I'm really interested to see what's going to happen on the week, on the month, 3 months, 6 months, and year results to see how volatile it's going to be. But we do see some coins that really went high. They went down the next few days, although they remain profitable. But overall, it seems to me like most coins are still profitable. And of course, few of them have gone so high that are pulling everything else together, which gives us a 4.39% increase from our initial investment and going higher from the 1-day results. Now, let's see some stats. How many of the coins that we have here are still green? Well, we have 103 out of the 152, making 67% of the coins profitable on the 3-day results, and 49 coins non-profitable on the red, 32.24%. Then we have 55 coins, 36% of them that grew, that went even higher than the one on the first day, and 20 coins, 13%, that went even lower. 8 coins had no movement, which is pretty interesting. Then 25 coins went from green down to red to a negative investment, and 10 coins only went profitable, 6.5% of the coins. Then from the green coins, there's 42 that went down, and from the red ones, only 2 became more profitable. Then the coin that gave us the biggest profit so far, we haven't sold obviously, but the coin that has increased the most is IOTEX with a 58% increase. That's insane in 3 days. And the biggest loss was Render at 12.1% or 12.2%, I believe, 12.2%. Sharing the spot with Inverse Finance. So I'm pretty happy in the sense that we have some huge profits on a few coins, 58%, we have a 50%, 40%, 30%, and our biggest loss is 12.20%. So that's pretty cool. So this is it. I mean, it's a great result, 4.39% in 3 days. Let's see what's going to happen in a week, in a month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year. Will it remain profitable? Will we keep the momentum? I don't know. We'll see how volatile they are, and it's going to be fun to see. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and keep the notifications to get notified when we get the next video to analyze a week, a month, up to a year. And thank you very much for the support. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, stay curious.